Who says that Dimensity chips can't handle gaming? I've said it before, it's all about the software tuning. The iQOO 15, the first digital series to feature Dimensity, really proves that point. The 1500 has a truly great GPU, it's all in the tuning. And as for the Blue Factory, my says, Vivo and MediaTek have a long-standing partnership. They've jointly tuned an exclusive Master Dimensity 9500 for iQOO, while maintaining their commitment to large models, 2K and 140 Hz. It features their self-developed Q3 gaming chip, paired with the new QSS engine for powerful concurrent, super resolution and frame interpolation. Take Delta Force for Yazan GSMC, T Tours for example. Players know how blurry it gets, but turn on super resolution and it pushes past the game's clarity limits. In-game or in the menus, the difference is so stark it feels like playing two different games. With identical performance, I'd lean towards the iQOO for its superior image quality. Plus, it supports ray tracing, making lighting look like real-world reflections. If you're a Delta Force fan, you'll get it. Moving on to our comprehensive gaming performance tests, we utilize both Peacekeeper Elite and Delta Force to rigorously evaluate system stability and touch responsiveness. During a chaotic 30-player hot drop, the Dimensity 9500 chipset maintains a rock-solid 144 frames per second. Any minor fluctuations are negligible. You simply will not perceive any frame drops whatsoever. My own test match averaged out to 143 frames per second while drawing only 6 watts of power. After playing for a full hour, the battery level dropped by 15% and the device reached 42 degrees. In Delta Force's Havoc Warfare, even during chaotic battles in the smoke, performance remains rock solid, with frame rates consistently staying above 140 FPS. Perhaps due to better game optimization, it performs much better compared to Game for Peace. Moving on to the screen, it's the familiar setup. A BOE 2K display with Q10 Plus luminescent material supporting native eye protection and game eye protection 2.0, along with 3D ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking. You can rest assured about the quality of BOE screens. Additionally, it's been upgraded with an 8000 mAh large battery and a 100W fast charging combo. With direct power supply 2.0, you can play while charging with peace of mind. In terms of imaging, it's equipped with a 200 megapixel sensor capable of 4x lossless zoom. It also features the brand's imaging algorithms, which, combined with a 200 MLP resolution, are more than enough for daily shooting at common focal lengths. To sum it up in one sentence, it feels like they just swapped the Snapdragon chip for a Dimensity 1, while maxing out all the other peripheral specs. So don't say Dimensity isn't good for gaming, you can rest assured with iQOO's tuning of Dimensity chips.